Embodied cognition is a captivating and evolving concept that challenges traditional views of the mind as a detached, purely cognitive entity. Before we dive in, if you find this content valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. It truly helps us grow. Now, let's get started. Instead, it posits that our thinking is profoundly intertwined with our body's interactions with the environment. This theory suggests that the nature of our mind and its thoughts is intricately shaped by the form of the human body. In this review, we will explore the foundations of embodied cognition, its key principles, and its implications across various domains, ranging from psychology and neuroscience to artificial intelligence and philosophy. Foundations of embodied cognition. Embodied cognition has its roots in multiple disciplines, including philosophy, psychology, and neuroscience. Its emergence can be traced back to the work of early phenomenologists, such as Merleau-Ponty, who emphasized the inseparability of the mind and the body in human experience. One of the foundational ideas of embodied cognition is that our perception and cognition are not isolated processes occurring solely in the brain but are intimately connected to the body's sensorimotor experiences. 1. Sensorimotor experiences. Central to the theory of embodied cognition is the idea that our sensory and motor experiences play a crucial role in shaping our thoughts and understanding of the world. This perspective challenges the traditional notion of cognition as an abstract, disembodied process. Instead, it suggests that our cognitive processes are grounded in our interactions with the physical world. For example, when we learn to ride a bicycle, our body's movements and the sensory feedback we receive become integral to our understanding of balance and control. 2. Embodied perception. Another important aspect of embodied cognition is how our sensory perceptions are influenced by our body's capabilities and limitations. This concept highlights that our perception is not a passive reception of sensory information but an active and context-dependent process. For instance, our ability to perceive and interpret spatial relationships is influenced by our physical location and posture. 3. Cognitive offloading. Embodied cognition also explores the phenomenon of cognitive offloading, where we use our body and the environment as external aids to reduce the cognitive load on our brains. This is evident in tasks such as writing notes to remember information or using a calculator to perform complex calculations. These external tools effectively extend our cognitive capabilities beyond the limits of our brains. Key principles of embodied cognition. To delve deeper into the realm of embodied cognition, it's essential to examine some of its key principles that shed light on how our bodies shape our thoughts and cognition. 1. Situated cognition. Situated cognition posits that our understanding and problem-solving abilities are deeply rooted in the specific context or situation in which they occur. This means that our cognitive processes are not universal but are shaped by the particular environment and context in which we find ourselves. For example, a chef's expertise in the kitchen is closely tied to the physical space and tools they use. 2. Inactive cognition. Inactive cognition emphasizes the idea that our thoughts and understanding of the world are closely tied to our actions and interactions with the environment. This principle challenges the view that cognition is solely about mental representations and suggests that it is also about the active engagement of the body with the world. For instance, a musician's mastery of an instrument is a result of the continuous interaction between their body and the instrument. 3. Embodied simulation. Embodied simulation posits that our ability to understand and empathize with others is based on our capacity to simulate the bodily experiences and sensations of others. This concept has significant implications for our understanding of empathy, as it suggests that we can vicariously experience what others are going through by simulating their physical and emotional states. Implications of embodied cognition. The theory of embodied cognition has far-reaching implications across various domains, challenging conventional thinking and offering fresh perspectives on human cognition and behavior. 1. Psychology. Embodied cognition has made substantial contributions to psychology by reshaping our understanding of memory, learning, and problem-solving. It has also led to innovative therapeutic approaches, such as embodied therapies, which incorporate the body's role in emotional processing and healing. 2. Neuroscience. In the field of neuroscience, embodied cognition has led to a more holistic approach to studying brain function. Researchers are exploring how the brain and body interact to support cognitive processes, shedding light on the neural basis of embodied experiences. 3. Education. Embodied cognition has influenced educational practices by emphasizing the importance of hands-on learning and physical engagement in the learning process. It highlights the value of incorporating movement, gestures, and interactive experiences in teaching methods. 4. Artificial intelligence. In the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, embodied cognition has inspired researchers to develop AI systems that learn and understand the world through sensory-motor interactions, much like humans. These systems aim to bridge the gap between AI and human cognition. 5. Philosophy. Philosophers have engaged with embodied cognition to reconsider questions about the nature of consciousness, the self, and the mind-body problem. It challenges traditional dualistic views of the mind and body and offers a more integrated perspective. Embodied cognition is a compelling theory that reimagines the relationship between the mind and the body. It suggests that our cognitive processes are deeply intertwined with our sensory-motor experiences and the physical world around us. This perspective has profound implications for fields ranging from psychology and neuroscience to artificial intelligence and philosophy. As our understanding of embodied cognition continues to evolve, it opens up new avenues for exploring the intricate connections between our minds, bodies, and the environments we inhabit. In doing so, it challenges us to rethink age-old assumptions about what it means to be a thinking, feeling being in the world.